Well, our team coverage continues right now, and as we're seeing even tonight, more damage happened after the sun set.
Yeah, in Avon, students were forced to go back to school after a tree blocked the only road leading in or out. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live there now with a wrap-up. And Matthew, what a wild day.
Yeah, Aaron and Mark, these gusts, they are still blowing right now. And days ago, our weather team warned that we'd see power outages, we'd see downed trees. Just right here in Avon, we saw both tonight.
About 1 o'clock this afternoon, I heard the wind whipping, and I was thinking to myself, I should go get my child.
A mother always knows best.
It's up very far. There's lots of trees. It was definitely a thought in my mind.
Deanna Hines' premonition ended up a reality. These are eyewitness photos of a tree across Montevideo Road. It's the only way in or out for the students at Talcott Mountain Science Center and Academy.
A mom's intuition, I probably should have followed it.
The tree blocked access and knocked down power lines. With no way around it, the school bus ended up retreating back to the school, where students would end up hanging out for an extra 5 hours.
We were having a bunch of snacks and we were playing different games.
I've been able to talk to everybody. Everybody's doing really well, and the kids are happy, having fun. And
while a group of parents waited at the bottom of the hill, Eversource workers restored power while another crew cleared the tree. By 8:45, children were back in the arms of parents.
Very, very happy to have him back and eat some dinner maybe, since we've all been sitting here for 5 hours waiting.
She'd later learn dining out would be limited. Avon saw trees and wires down along Old Farms Road, and that ended up knocking out power to portions of Route 44. They were dining in the dark at Maximia, where food service had to end when the lights went out.
It's exciting. It's different. It's different. We've had our boring birthday parties before, so now we have a little bit of something different.
Now, thankfully, no injuries in any of our incidents here in Avon tonight. Right now, 590 customers here in town are still without power. That's the latest live here in Avon tonight. Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.